Alright, if you watched my last video where I showed you how to make yourself a video with Windows 10 using the built-in hardware and software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your selfie video in Windows 10 with no additional hardware or software. And I'm hoping that you can already see and hear the difference in quality between that video and this video. And that's the subject of this video. I'm going to show you how to increase the quality of your selfie videos in Windows 10 using a third-party microphone. This is the Rode Smart Lav Plus. I'm using a third-party webcam. This is a Logitech C920 Pro, and I'm using a relatively inexpensive ring light that I purchased on Amazon.com. Now, I speak about the microphone and the ring light at length in my videos on lighting and audio. If you haven't already watched those, you might want to go back and watch those. Let's talk about the ring light first. So once again, you can see that I'm set up in front of a natural light source. The light source is not behind me. I'm facing the light source, so why do I have the ring light? And that is because this is what the video looks like without the ring light. It's perfectly usable if that's all you have, but if you really want to increase the quality, you just can fill in some of these shadows and brighten it up a little bit by using the ring light. Now, the ring light plugs directly into the USB port on your computer and works right away. The webcam should also work right away. It's pretty much plug and play. It may download a driver or two. But the Smart Lav Plus, you're going to have to jump through a couple hoops. It's a little bit more technical to get it set up. I think it's well worth it. It's the #1 thing I would buy even before the webcam because audio quality is so important. But there's a couple other additional items that you're going to need to purchase, and let's take a look at those right now. In addition to the Smart Lav Plus lavalier microphone, you're going to need to purchase this little adapter. It's a TRRS to TRS adapter, and it's available separately, or you can purchase it as a kit. I purchased mine on bnhphoto.com, but I'm sure that you could probably find the same thing on Amazon. And then you're also going to need to buy a USB adapter. This is the one that I've purchased, the Sabrent. I really like it. It works great. But you won't be able to just plug the microphone or even the microphone with the TRRS adapter directly into the computer. When I did, I got no audio at all, so I really needed this little USB adapter. Now, if you're using the Logitech webcam, you can go to Logitech's website, and there's a couple cool apps that you can download. One is the Logitech Camera Settings app, and the other one is called Logitech Capture. We're going to talk about that in a subsequent video because it's a little bit more complex than the camera app, but it allows you to do a lot of cool things that you can't do with the built-in app in Windows 10. However, for this video, we'll continue using the Cameras app. But of course, there's a few settings that you're going to have to set in order to make sure you're using your new camera and your new microphone. So let's first go to the audio settings. Now, the built-in camera app will not let you select a microphone. It uses whatever audio input you have set in the main audio control panel in Windows. So that's the first thing we're going to do. In the lower right-hand corner of your taskbar, we're going to right-click on this speaker icon. And then we're going to left-click on Open Sound Settings. Now, this is where we can set our output and input. We're going to look at the input here and make sure you have the USB device selected. That's the Sabrent USB dongle that we plugged our microphone into. You'll also notice that we have the default built-in microphone, and there's also a microphone built into the HD Pro Webcam C920. If you are not using the Rode lavalier microphone, then go ahead and use that because that's still better than the internal mic on your PC, or at least on my PC. So we have our microphone selected there, and under speakers, you'll notice that it's also using the USB device. Because the dongle is really cool, it not only allows you to plug your microphone in, but it allows you to plug your headphones or any external speakers into that as well. So I just keep that set at USB device. And that's it, we close that. Now we open the camera app. And I am now using the Rode Smart Lav Plus as my audio input source. However, I'm still using the built-in webcam and I want to switch it to the C920. So I simply go up to the upper right-hand corner and we'll see the change camera icon. I click this and there we are. We're now using the Logitech C920 as our webcam. Why the preview image flops from one side of the screen to the other, I haven't been able to figure out if I can change that or why that happens. However, I do know that, rest assured, the final file looks exactly the same. It's just the preview that flips. It's a little bit strange, right? But now from here, it's exactly the same as we did before in using the built-in camera to record. We click the record button over on the right-hand side, and there you go. We're recording our selfie video now with the Rode Smart Lav Plus and the C920 webcam. And when you're finished recording, just as before, just click the stop button. We can preview our video here to see if we like it. Over on the right-hand side. And there you go. We're recording our selfie video now. And that's it. If we're done, we can close the camera app. And once again, if you didn't watch the previous video, all of your videos are stored in your pictures folder in camera roll. And here are the videos that I just created. Here's the last one that I just did on the right-hand side. And there you go. We're recording our selfie video now with the Rode Smart Lav. And that's it. A few things that you have to purchase, a bunch of settings that you have to set. But once you do that, I think that you'll agree the quality of your selfie videos will be greatly improved. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, watch the next video that I'm going to make where I show you how to use Logitech Capture to create demo videos.